Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal Jones and I'm excited because Ricky is gone for the day, my husband, and he's going to be in for a surprise when he gets home because I am so over this backsplash. I'm done. We have these beautiful white countertops that we put in. Well, I'll put a link in the description box for that when we got that changed out, what it used to look like. We have these white these white cabinets, and these off-white tiles. This bisque is what it's kind of like called. Anyways, I'm over it. I'm done with it. And so today is the day that I'm taking this out. So I'm going to be using this tool that I picked up from my Home Depot to get the tiles off the wall, and I don't want to delay because I'm trying to get to this and finish before he gets home. I'm showing you guys this wall, but I will be doing the rest of our kitchen as well. But yeah, I want to get to this, so let's get started, you guys. Okay, you guys, after about a couple minutes, I'm thinking that trying to remove this tile is going to be a little problematic, but that's okay because I'm using SimpleMat to install my tiles today. And actually, it says that you could use it right over your old tile. So I'm going to go with that method for installing my tile. Okay? Okay, you guys, so I got my SimpleMat out. This is sticky, so I had to figure this out. I need to measure it and get it on this wall. So that's what I'm finna do. So yeah. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm almost done taping up my wall to put my tile. I think what I'm gonna end up doing right there is putting, I don't really know yet. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know yet, but I'll figure it out. But in some places the tape is overlapping, but I don't think that's really gonna end up being a big deal. So whatever, I'm just making it happen. I am gonna fill in these gaps just to make sure that I'm like, you know, getting full coverage, but I'm almost done. And then after this, you're gonna see me peel this off. Well, I'm gonna smooth it down, I'm gonna peel it off, and then I'm gonna put my tile up. All right, here comes the moment of truth. I'm about to stick my tiles onto this wall and see how that goes. I have a scoring tool here so that I can do my tiles right. So I need to score it. Oh, okay, there we go. My brother came to save me, y'all. He came to save me. Look, Ricky sees what I'm doing in the kitchen. But that's just you scoring it.
Correct. And then we can go ahead and knock that. It should come out pretty much uniform.
Oh yeah. So easy. But I'm gonna have to take it all the way to that wood, right?
No, you don't have to. You should, but you don't have to.
I mean, it ain't that
And when I
much
say
fun.
you should, I mean the drywall will sit fine in here.
Okay, I can
What you
still
would normally
just
do
is take it there.
is take it all the way so that you're attaching kind of an end all the way through. But what you could do is get wood and attach that wood. So basically, you're gonna attach the wood to this piece.
Make another wood to dry.
Right, and so you created. So you would put it across like a 2x4 across here, and you would drill like top down into that one, across here into there, and that piece is gonna sit flush here. So now you do one up. I would avoid that one, but you do one down here especially, and that way. So yes, what you're gonna want to do is punch that in, like